Welcome to Nan Hua Dance Lessons. My name is Baba Lo. This is my first of many dance classes. Today we are going to do an African dance routine called Bokomo. Bokomo dance consists of 6 dance moves. I will teach you the movement first, then combine all 6 movements together. Ready? The first movement, we're going to stand in a parallel position. Then you slightly bend. So we're going to move right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Get it? So we're going to do it 4 times. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So now we're going to add a jump. So it's going to be right, left, right and jump. Left, right, left and jump. Right, left, right and jump. Left, right, left and jump. Moving on to the second movement. The focus will be more on the hips. We're going to start on the right side. So we're going to move right, left, right, left. So the position of the hands will be here. So it goes ba, de, da, de, da, de, da, de. Third movement. The third movement is you bend your right leg in and out, left leg in and out, then shake and shake. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, shake and shake. In, out, shake and shake. Let's combine from 1 to 3 with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done! Let's move on to the next movement. The first movement is you're going to go back like day, and you come back day, da. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, and day, da. Fifth movement. The fifth movement is you're going to start from the head, shoulder, hip, and back. Another side, head, shoulder, hip, and back. So let's do it more faster. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Be, da, de, da, de, da, de, da. Last movement. The last movement is you're gonna go back like day, then you go down like fuck. Let's combine all movements from the top till the end with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.